Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to log customer reviews into the Airtable with n8n. So what you'll cover today? We'll cover this: triggering the workflow when a customer submits a review form, Google form, type form or custom form, sending an acknowledgement email to the customer, logging the review into an Airtable base with all relevant details, adding tags or rating to each entry automatically, and ensuring your Airtable database is always up to date without manual input. This workflow is perfect for businesses or agencies looking to track review in one place and improve visibility and reporting of customer feedback. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger. On the path will be review submission webhook. His purpose is to capture customer review submission from a form. For example, the customer name, the email, the review text, the rating, and the product. Okay, why it matters? Because this webhook capture every review in real time, ensuring no submission are missed. Next, the sent acknowledgement email. This, the type is email send from email your company to email JSON email. On the subject, you will put thank you for your review. Let's launch this. On the text will be, hi, JSON customer name, thank you for your review of JSON product. Your feedback help us improve and serve you better. Best regards, your company. This will be the rapport with customer and encourages them to leave honest feedback. After that, you'll have the Airtable node that will create the record. You need to make an account and update your credential here. Operation will be create. Okay. Table will be reviews. And the fields will be these fields: the JSON customer name, the JSON email, the JSON review text, the JSON rating, and the JSON product. And the status will be new. Okay. This automatic stores review in a structured format ready for reporting and analysis. Okay, after that, you'll have the set node, the set tag ratings. The name will be tag. The purpose is to assign tags or category based on the rating. So, for example, if rating is larger or equal than 4, positive, need attention. Is positive, else need attention. This will enable filtering and analytics directly in the Airtable for quick insights. So that was the lesson for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.